Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We make short videos to help you understand in easy steps. We know you don't like a long video. Before I start, let me tell you, if you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button next to it, you might win an iPhone, which we give it to one of our followers every time we reach 100k viewers on our video. Let's
Go to
start.
settings, accessibilities, all the way down to guided access, and you can turn on from here. Go back home, choose any app you want to private, triple tap the side button. So now you have options on bottom left. You can turn on and off any option you want. Done. On the top right, you can do start. That's all. So now you put the passcode you want. I just put zeros. Yep, and it's on now. So you will see nothing's gonna work. No touch bar, nothing's gonna work. So triple tap to turn it off. Put the passcode 00. Yep, and on the top left, just do end. That's all. And it's end now. Go back home. That's how you do it, guys. So easy.